welcome to my channel. My name is Leah Ari, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to replace a frontal and how to get this red burgundy-ish color without using bleach. As you can see, my frontal is very much torn up and cut into little pieces, and the hair is all dry and tangled and stuff, so we'll be replacing the frontal and I'll be adding in the bundle. I got both the frontal and the bundle off of Amazon. I've gotten this frontal before and I really like it. It's like the knots are small and it really blends into my skin. Okay, the first thing you want to do is put your wig on the canvas head and pin it down. I place the pins right where the frontal ends and the track starts. I do this so the wig doesn't move, and so I make sure that the wig will fit right on my head according to where it stops at naturally with the frontal already attached before I cut it off, if that makes sense. As you can see there, like, it's pins all around. Before I cut it, I put all the pins there, and then after I cut it, it's still in place. So this is how to find the middle of the frontal. You fold it in half, and then you put a pin right in the middle, and then you open it, and that's where the middle would be. So next, you're going to want to align the frontal directly into the middle, so you can make sure it's evenly placed onto the black head, so when you're sewing it, it won't be crooked and you have to start all over. After you pin it in the front, you're going to take another pin and pin it directly in the middle in the back. Next, you're going to pin the rest of the frontal to the back of the wig, making sure that you're not pulling the frontal like completely down, like in a straight line, but it's going to go curve back a little. Pull it down, curve back a little, so it won't like be bunched up. As you can see, it's like in a C shape. That's how I'm pinning it down. Like the way that the frontal naturally is falling, that's basically how you want to do it, and just make sure that you pull it back some so it lines to the back of the wig. Now I'm going to sew the frontal onto the back of the wig. When I'm doing this, I'm putting the needle through the track, because there's a track right at the front of the back of the wig. I'm going to put it through the track and then through the frontal. That way it's really secure. So make sure that you're sewing through the track and then through the frontal, and then tying it, and then keep going all the way down. And once you get to the last stitch by the earpiece, you're going to make sure you tie the knot so it doesn't come out when you cut the thread.
I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around,
So now the frontal to the wig. I'm going to add the extra bundle. I'm going to use my sewing machine and I'm going to add it on off camera. So after that, I'm going to start dyeing the hair with L'Oreal High Color. You can use this as a way to get in the red color like this without using any bleach.
Come through every need you. I swear I keep this feeling to myself.
To protect the lace from any staining from the red, I'm going to use Got2b gel in the black bottle, and I'm literally just going to smear all over my lace, and then I'm going to flip it over and put on my canvas head. To protect my canvas head from the gel, I put a plastic bag over it so the gel won't get on the canvas head and mess it up.
I just wanna get away, stay right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
I used 3 boxes of the L'Oreal High Color for my frontal in the one bundle that I added in, and I used 40 volume developer. I didn't measure how much developer I used. I just poured it in there and I mixed it up.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You is your way, but we don't really want it. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, I want you
To add the color onto the frontal, I used the comb to get real close to the root, and I combed it right in. I did get some color on the lace, but since I used the Got2b gel, when I went to wash the wig, it didn't stain. The lace was still white. But yeah, I used the comb. I dipped it into the color, and then I brushed it onto the hair so I could get real close to the root. And then after I went through each section and brushed through the color close to the root of the lace, I went in with my brush and I colored the rest of the frontal.
I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make me clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and stay right.
to this side. I finished the rest of the wig. I did the other side of the frontal and colored the bundle that I added, and I left it on for about, I'd say, an hour and 30 minutes. And then I washed it out. I bleached the knots of the wig, and I plucked the wig and blow dried it. So this is what it looks like. I really do like the color. Some of the bundles did not, some of the bundle that I added did not turn red, but it's okay because you can't really tell. So I will be uploading a video of me installing this wig using Kiss hair glue. I'm going to be doing a wig glue review series. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload this install, and bye.